Hey everyone, so for today's lesson we're just going to do a little bit more practice of reading a decimal, turning it into a fraction, reading a fraction, turning it into a decimal, and then we're going to have some fun with just a few word problems. Okay, so if I started off with the decimal, 2 1/10. If I wanted to turn that into a mixed number, it would look like this, 2 1/10. So this decimal turned into a fraction would look just like that. Right? If I wanted to go the other way and turn a fraction here's my fraction. I have 10 2/10 into a decimal. I have my 10, it's my normal number before the decimal point, 10 2/10. Okay, here's the fraction, here's the decimal. Do a few more. Here's my digit, or here's my number, 75 5/10. Always good to practice saying it out loud so you can rewrite it as that decimal, or excuse me, as that fraction. So I have 75 as my whole number, 75 5/10. So I know that the 5 needs to be over the 10. Okay. Just a little more practice with reading hundredths, because sometimes I think those numbers with the hundredths tend to confuse us. So here I have 3 8/100. I say hundredths because this 8 is in the hundredths place. That's the last digit that I see. So in order to turn this into a mixed number and into a decimal, into a fraction, it would be my whole number is 3. 3 8/100 would look just like that. Okay? So it really is helpful and it's beneficial to you to say these numbers out loud as you read them. If you're starting with a fraction, turning it into a decimal, still read it out loud. 3 8/100. 3 8/100. You'll be able to eventually realize that this is what it would look like. Okay? So I hope this practice helps. Just a couple little questions and 2 word problems for you to try today involving decimals. Okay? Have a great day, everyone.